Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it is haymaking again, and this time we are here before the start of July. This is about the 21st of June. Last year we went around the 3rd of July, so it's a bit earlier. I know quite a few people went a couple of weeks ago when we had the big heat wave. We held off, let the rain hit the grass a bit more, make it a bit more longer, and obviously your grass is as good as your shortest grass. So right now, obviously this is just grass, so I wouldn't really call it the hay sniff yet, but it is a tradition we always like to do on camera. Oh my god, that smells like some juicy grass. Now that, he's getting a very big cut. As you can see already, he's been cutting quite a bit. Now have a look. Look at this. So what we're going to do, we are going to catch him going round with the mower. Now I've got a new tripod that should help massively. Also it's very windy, so I don't know how well you can hear me. We'll see what footage we can get. We'll have a bit of play around. The drone isn't going up, too windy. I'm not set up for it anyway. So let's see what's going on. Enjoy. He's just taking down a strip that he missed on his way round. You know, one of the nicest things when you're out here, it's the wildlife. I was about to capture it. There was a lovely little cricket making some noise, and he's gone quiet on me now. Where's he gone? Where you gone? Oh, there's a butterfly. Loads of butterflies up here. I mean, yeah, okay, the horseflies are annoying, but the butterflies, the creatures that you see, the bugs, they live and thrive off of this grass. I can hear some over here now on the bank. Quite a few of them. So this is our 3rd year now making hay. third year with the class mower. Unbelievable how well that mower is doing. I don't even think it cost him 300 quid, that class mower. It's unbelievable. So he keeps maintaining it, changing the blades, keeping a cleaner underneath, checking the discs out. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant mower. Oh, comes a butterfly. Yeah. Obviously this top of the top we're doing so far, and then we'll be doing bottom of the top, and then after bottom of the top we will then be doing the bottom field. This year we're not doing the middle field, we have the horses in the middle field. We did actually have horses in the bottom field, and the grass in there has started to come along because they've been off of it now for about 3 months, so I think we'll be alright to get. Hey, look, there's a bloody dragonfly. Oh Jesus Christ, Ninja mate, did you see that, guys? Look, there's one there, there's two, we've got one over there now. Ninja, my man, he tried to take me out. Hello, look at you. How awesome is that, guys? As I was saying about the wildlife here. Ah, hey, you can't eat me. Oh, I'm still not used to this GoPro. I can't adjust it quick enough, guys. Sorry, I want to get you guys in there, but I can't tilt the camera anymore. Look at that. He's on there, look, can you see him? Wow. Is he eating lunch? Bro, he's eating lunch. He's got like a hornet. That's crazy, guys. I want to get you right in on the action, but I'm really struggling here, guys. He's eating a hornet. Can you see that? Oh. I have no idea how that footage has come out, guys. This tripod's new to me, innit? So I'm trying to push you guys in there on that. I cannot see what you can see. I'm too far away from the tripod. Hopefully you guys have just seen a dragonfly and a hornet, and you've seen my ninja skills. So yeah, as I was saying, obviously third year now on the haymaking here, and here he comes again, making his way around. So lovely. The views here, honestly, guys, are so incredible. You've got to see views in about 4 different directions when the sun's out. We've got a high pressure window coming up here, so that's why he's decided to mow it, and hopefully we're going to make some incredible hay again like we always do. No idea pricing this year, but he needs to up his price and stop being so cheap, so hopefully he does that. Okay guys, so that is the start of Haymaking 2023, the class mower, dropping the grass, top of the top field. Obviously we will be back hopefully with the Ford 7.6 with the PZ 200 hay bob on the back end, and that will be out turning the grass for the next 3, 4, 5 days. Depends how many days he decides to turn it, depends on the heat and how well it develops. So yeah, and with that in mind, I'll see if I can get the drone as well, get that set up, but no promises on that whatsoever. So thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoy Haymaking 2023. This is obviously going to be our key thing every year now. I'm going to make sure I get the right videos out for this. I know I'm not doing as much as I was. I'm so focused in life now on other stuff. So yeah, just in time, he is slowly coming in over on my right shoulder, your left. So yeah, if you want to see more of this coming up, there'll be a few videos where we're doing bottom of the top, we'll be doing the bottom. I'll try and get the bale inside of things, bringing the bales in as well. That's a key one that everyone mentioned last year. You want to see the bales coming in. Obviously we'll be up here with the flatty grab and the trailers. I'll try and get the David Brown up here as well at some point. So yeah, it'd be really interesting to see what we can get and what footage we can get at the same time. It's quite tricky because you don't want to leave your hay out for too long, so trying to get footage like this, trying to get footage of loading up and stuff, not always easy. It's kind of difficult, takes up a lot of your time. So yeah, right, with him going over now and past, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell, come and have a watch of us, see what we're getting up to in Pembrokeshire. And yeah, this is our 3rd year now. Well, it's our 3rd time doing hay. It's not our 3rd year, but it's our 3rd time doing the hay. So see you in our next video guys, take care. Welcome to the Ford 7.6 hay turning, or should I say exactly as what happened last year, the David Brown 996 breaking down in the middle of a hayfield. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's take a step back.